Welcome to this detailed review of Sendinblue CRM, your all-in-one solution for managing customer relationships, marketing campaigns, and automation needs. Today, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about this platform, from its user-friendly interface to its standout features designed to help businesses of all sizes thrive. When you first log into Sendinblue, you're greeted with a clean, intuitive dashboard. The layout is well organized, making it easy to navigate even if you're new to CRM software. On the main dashboard, you'll find key metrics, such as recent campaigns, contact growth, and task reminders, giving you a quick overview of your operations. One of the highlights of Sendinblue is its robust email marketing tools. You can effortlessly create visually appealing email campaigns using the drag-and-drop editor. There's a variety of templates available, catering to different industries and needs. If you're looking to build something unique, the customization options are extensive, allowing you to design emails that reflect your brand perfectly. Automation is another area where Sendinblue excels. With just a few clicks, you can set up automated workflows for tasks like welcoming new subscribers, following up on customer inquiries, or re-engaging in active contacts. This saves time and ensures that your customers receive timely, personalized communication. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Be sure to explore these after watching to make the most of your CRM journey. Sendinblue also offers powerful segmentation tools. By organizing your contacts into segments based on behavior, demographics, or purchase history, you can target the right audience with the right message. This feature is especially useful for improving conversion rates and customer satisfaction. Analytics and reporting are another standout aspect. The platform provides detailed reports on email open rates, click-through rates, and campaign performance. These insights are invaluable for optimizing your strategies and achieving better results over time. Sendinblue isn't just about email marketing. It also includes SMS campaigns, chat tools, and even a CRM to manage your leads and deals effectively. This integration of multiple tools under one roof is a significant advantage for businesses that want to streamline their workflows. The pricing is competitive and scalable, making it accessible for small businesses, while still offering advanced features for larger organizations. There's even a free plan to get started, which includes basic email marketing tools and contact management. If you're searching for a CRM that combines powerful marketing tools with ease of use, Sendinblue is worth considering. Its versatility and cost-effectiveness make it a great choice for businesses looking to improve customer engagement and streamline their operations. Thank you for watching this review. If you found it helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more insightful reviews, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. See you in the next video.